Hello, I am Administrative Judge Dorothy Wilson of the District Court of Maryland for Baltimore County. I am here to update you on the status of the Towson District Courthouse. As you know, earlier this year, we announced that the Towson District Courthouse would temporarily close for critical building repairs and that all court operations and staff would relocate to the new Catonsville District Courthouse. I am pleased to announce that on Tuesday, October 13, the Towson District Courthouse will return to 120 East Chesapeake Avenue in Towson. All court operations, including the Commissioner's Office, will resume business as usual. In addition, on Monday, October 19, the old Catonsville Courthouse, located at 900 Walker Avenue, will now be permanently relocated to the One Rolling Cross Road location, also known as the new Catonsville District Courthouse. As a result of the ongoing COVID pandemic, when you arrive at court, you will be asked health screening questions, a no-contact temperature reading will be taken, and you will be required to wear a mask or a face covering at all times when in the courthouse. In addition, social distancing must be maintained at all times when in the courthouse. Any court notices you receive from this point on will have the correct courthouse where you must report. Please read your notices carefully and contact the clerk's office if you have any questions. For more information, please call 410-512-2000. The District Court has created a dedicated web page regarding the moves. You'll find that web address at the bottom of this screen. There, you will find updates regarding the moves, answers to frequently asked questions, a map, and public transportation information. In addition to the website, you can also email the District Court at towsontempmove@mdcourts.gov with questions about the Towson or Catonsville District Court moves. And you can also follow the Maryland Judiciary on Twitter for more information. We appreciate your patience and understanding during these courthouse relocations. We look forward to providing the highest level of service to Marylanders in Baltimore County and across the state during this transition. Thank you.